Right, you are welcome to the continuation of the last video I did about how I make money with affiliate marketing. So in this particular video, I want to share with you what is content marketing, okay? How I do content in order to use it to generate a lot of lead on the internet. I basically do not do advertisement, and if I want to do, it's gonna be basically on me, okay, to do so. But I generate a lot of lead using my content marketing strategies, and that is what I want to share with you right here, right now. Okay, my name is Evis Jamonin. I teach on skill affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a monthly basis. Okay, so let's dive into it right here. So when you go to your Chrome browser, so there are many tools for you to research, okay, your keyword. We call it keyword research. So here, number one, you have KW Finder. You can search it. All right, so this is it here. You use it for you to research keyword, know the volume, number of people that are searching for it. Okay, after, you can also use Google Trend to find out what is trending. Then you copy the keyword, put it on the Google, on this KW Finder, to know the search volume. And then the keyword difficulty is very, very important. Keyword difficulties is how many number of people are targeting that same keyword. If it is above 25, okay, 30, 40, mean that a lot of persons are targeting search. Do you understand? So but the lower the difficulty, the easier for you to get shown on Google search. All right, so number one is KW Finder. You also have this one here. We have Keyword Everywhere, which are also used. We have the free and the pay plan. All right, these are the tools for you to research keyword. We have these Google tools as well. Okay, Google Keyword Planner, you can as well use. We have SEMrush. All right, there are a lot of them. Okay, so we have Word Tracker, which is also another one again. Search Volume, another one again. So these are different keyword that you can as well use to search. You can as well go on Google, assuming you want to do keyword research on, let's say, about Digistem. If you type Digistem on Google, Digistem, then you press on your shift bar, okay, Digistem, then I click on shift. Then you will see that people are searching for Digistem affiliate, Digistem registration, Digistem login, Digistem versus Expartner, Digistem review, Digistem logo. So these are different search intents and different queries people are searching for. Yours as a new beginner is for you to pick one and specifically create content for that. Listen, when you want to create content, if you are doing content marketing, what you need is number one, a problem you are solving with your content, and then specific audience that are interested in that content, then why you are qualified to teach such. Let me come again. A particular problem, let's say in all of that, now we have digital affiliates. Okay, now someone that is looking for digital affiliate, what does the person is looking for? What is, I will explain search intent surgery. What does the person looking for? I get to understand what the person is looking for. And then next one again is the problem I'm solving. Okay, I'm solving, them back to you why you are qualified to teach such here. Do you understand? Now let me go straight to search intent. Is the search intent going to explain the tune? It's going to explain how you are going to, where to start from and how to end. There are basically three search intents. Number one is navigational search intent. For instance, someone says, where is where is nearest park near me? Shop right around me. Okay, car dealers around me. All right, so those things that deals with location, a particular place, we call it navigational search intent. Okay, then we have another one again, which is commercial. Commercial is someone that is on a considerable level. A person is looking for more information. For instance, how does Digistem work? How does Expartner work? Okay, Expartner versus Digistem, Digistem review. So you just considering, you have not made up your mind to join yet. You are just still researching. We call it commercial. Which affiliate marketing platform should I join? Okay, so when you want to answer such question, if you want to create video or content, okay, about that particular problem you want to solve, and mind you, this is the problem you want to solve it. So you just need to understand that you need to explain, you need to go in details, or I break it down so that the person will understand better. All right, what you want with the content is the person to tell you thank you and nothing much. You don't want any sales. You just need to explain so that the person will tell you thank you at the end. That is it. So the person can either subscribe to your email or just be in your in your group so that you will be getting content from you. That is it. Then the next one again, which is transactional. This is when the person wants to buy. The person has made up his or mind to buy. So what they just need is for you to showcase why you are an expert, why you are qualified to handle the person. Okay. For instance, now we have Digistem registration. This person want to register. The person just want to sign up. Okay. Anything like Digistem sign up, Digistem registration. The person is eager to sign up. We have it here. Digistem sign up, Digistem registration. The person want to join. Or what you just need for you to position yourself, how much you have made, how much you have made, help your student make, what is your unique strategy, how you are able to make sales, how you are going to make your prospect life better. So outline all your value proposition, why you think you are the best person to handle that client. By the time they read through and see all of that, they can easily get confused and then sign up on the spot with you. That is how it is. So three search intent, which I've explained: navigational search intent, we have commercial and transactional. So if you understand different search intent, you cannot tailor your targets, cannot tailor your message to your specific audience. Do not try for all of them. Pick the particular search intent and write or create video for such person, and by so doing they're going to convert with you and then going to stay with you as the audience. Okay, that is all you need to understand about these content marketing strategies for affiliate marketing. It's quite simple to do. By the time you do it more and more, you are going to learn more about it. Okay, if you have a business that you are doing, you have a physical business or you have a store, you have a shop, you want to get conversion, you want to get people to come to your audience, you want to get people to come to your location and buy from you, I have a specific course, I have a specific training where I teach people how to put their business online. Okay, and then how to generate a lot of traffic, a lot of audience to come and patronize you in what you are doing. Feel free to leave in the comment section, okay, your question. If you want to understand more about affiliate marketing or about your physical store, how you can increase your revenue, do way to drop it in the comment section. Okay, if there's any link around this video or my description, you can use it to contact me on my website or on my WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm gonna see you on the insights. Bye for now. Avis Care. Catch you later.